What's up, everybody? I'm working remotely in my home office today, but we're still going to crunch some numbers. Look, I've been in accounting for 12 years, and there's something that keeps pissing me off. Everyone out here is talking about the same damn jobs. CPA, tax preparer, bookkeeper. Great careers, don't get me wrong, but it's like the internet collectively decides these are the only jobs. Meanwhile, I've got friends pulling in 60 to 80,000 in entry-level careers we've probably never even heard of. Jobs that don't require selling your soul to student loans. Jobs where demand is crushing supply. So today, we're blowing the lid off the whole thing. I'm giving you the entry-level careers that are actually paying the most right now, that nobody's talking about. And listen, these are real careers with real numbers. I verified them from people actually doing the work. If you're tired of hearing the same old options, or you're looking for something that'll actually set you apart, stick around. This might just change your life. AP, AR specialist, 40 to 60,000. That's what my friend Jessica's pulling as an accounts receivable specialist. And she's not even in a major market. Think about it. Companies are everywhere. Manufacturing, retail, healthcare, and they all need cash flow managed. Bills pile up, and when they do, vendors start cutting off services. You know what that means. Urgent fixes, premium pay, overtime rates. The barrier to entry is minimal training. Yeah, it takes some learning, but earning while you're figuring it out. And the competition, almost nothing compared to traditional accounting roles. Why isn't everyone talking about this? Because it's not glamorous. There's no Instagram hashtag for AP life. But while everyone's fighting over the spotlight positions, AR specialists are quietly building solid careers. You need organizational skills, attention to detail, and the ability to communicate under pressure. But if that sounds like you, man, the opportunities are endless. And if you thought that was solid, wait until you hear about the people who can make serious money during just 4 months of the year. We're talking about tax preparers, 35 to 50,000 base. But here's where it gets interesting. During tax season, these people can double their yearly earnings in just a few months. My buddy Marcus worked evenings after his regular job, pulled in 40,000 in 4 months working tax season. Busting his tail, sure, but banking serious cash. And the job security, unless you think we're going to eliminate taxes anytime soon, this work isn't disappearing. The downside, it's seasonal. You're dealing with stressed clients, complicated tax situations, and crazy deadlines. But that's exactly why the pay is so good. Training programs are 6 to 12 weeks, and companies are fighting over qualified people. The average age in this industry is pushing 55. Think about what that means for opportunities over the next decade. And speaking of opportunities, the next career pays consultant level money without even requiring a 4-year degree. Bookkeeper, junior accountant, 40 to 60,000 starting, with serious room for advancement. You can probably see the issue here. Careers like AP, AR specialist, and tax preparer pay well, but they usually require seasonal commitments, specialized training, or dealing with high stress situations. That's why a lot of people are moving towards accounting instead. Companies are desperate for entry-level accounting positions, and you don't need a degree or years of experience to get started. That's why I partnered with CourseCareers to create this accounting course. Inside, I teach you everything you need to know, plus projects, a portfolio, and how to actually get hired. CourseCareers even has a free introductory course where you'll learn what accounting actually is, what you do day to day in an entry-level position, the exact skills you need to get hired, and how much you can expect to make starting out. Click the link in the description to start the free intro course. And if you decide to continue, you get $50 off the full program. But if you're the type who wants consistency and doesn't mind learning multiple systems, the next position might blow your mind. Payroll specialist, 40 to 55,000. When payroll gets messed up, companies face employee lawsuits. So they'll pay whatever it takes to keep everything running smoothly. My friend Sarah handles payroll processing and makes $52,000 ensuring everything gets paid on time and accurately. The work requires precision and understanding multiple systems, but the compensation reflects that responsibility. And if you thought managing payroll is complex, wait until you hear about the people who handle financial reporting. Staff accountant, 45 to 65,000. When financial reports are inaccurate, companies lose credibility with investors, so they'll pay whatever it takes to maintain precision. My colleague from Apache Corporation, Jennifer, handles month-end closing procedures and makes $62,000 ensuring all transactions are recorded properly. The work involves understanding accounting principles and meeting tight deadlines, but the pay reflects the technical expertise. And if you thought month-end pressure was intense, Wait until you hear about the people who analyze financial performance. Junior financial analyst, 50 to 70,000. When forecasts are wrong, companies waste millions on bad decisions, so they'll pay whatever it takes for accurate financial planning. My friend from college, Mike, got a financial analyst position right after graduation and makes $68,000 creating financial models and analyzing variances. The work involves advanced Excel skills and presenting to executives, but the compensation reflects that analytical capability. If you thought presenting to management was nerve-wracking, wait until you hear about the people who ensure regulatory compliance. Compliance specialist, $48,000 to $68,000. When regulations aren't followed, companies face massive penalties, so they'll pay whatever it takes to stay compliant. Sarah, from my previous company, handles SOX compliance and makes $65,000 documenting procedures and preparing external audit. The work involves detailed documentation and coordinating with auditors, but the pay reflects the specialized expertise. And if you thought dealing with auditors was challenging, wait until you hear about the people who track manufacturing costs. Cost accountant, $50,000 to $72,000. When product costs are miscalculated, companies lose profitability, so they'll pay whatever it takes for precise cost tracking. My former teammate at Vendor Solutions, Alex, manages manufacturing cost accounting and makes $69,000 analyzing product profitability and cost variances. The work requires understanding production processes and cost allocation methods, but the compensation reflects the specialized knowledge. And if you thought manufacturing was complex, wait until you hear about the people who manage employee benefits and payroll systems. HR payroll administrator, $42,000 to $58,000. When employee benefits are handled incorrectly, companies face compliance issues, so they'll pay whatever it takes to manage both functions effectively. My friend David coordinates HR functions and payroll processing and makes $54,000 managing benefits for administrators for 200 employees. The work involves juggling multiple responsibilities and employee interactions, but the pay reflects a diverse skill set. So there you have it, 9 entry-level careers that are paying solid money that nobody's talking about. Notice something? None of these are the usual suspects. None of these are fields oversaturated with workers or have hit their growth ceiling. They pay way better than most people realize. They're in industries desperate for new talent. They offer paths to success without crushing student debt. I've seen too many people struggle because they didn't know these options even existed. Too many people think careers are just CPA, tax preparer, and bookkeeper. If any of these caught your interest, drop a comment and let me know which one you want me to dig deeper on in a future video. And if you're already in one of these fields, share your experience and let people know what it's really like. That's it for today, guys. If you found this helpful, smash the like button and subscribe. Until next time, keep those skills sharp because in the end, skills pay the bills.